Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to change currency symbol in Power BI. Quick fix. Let's dive right in and tackle a common challenge many Power BI users face. If you've ever been stuck with the default dollar sign and found yourself wondering how to switch to pounds, euros, pesos, or any other currency symbol, you know how frustrating it can be. Whether you're preparing reports for an international audience or aligning your data with local standards, knowing how to change the currency symbol can make your reports look more professional and relevant. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to adjust the currency symbol to perfectly match your needs. So, let's get started. Imagine you're working with a basic dataset in Power BI, maybe something like sales, expenses, or budgets. For instance, let's say your table has columns for order ID, product, and amount. You might see entries like order ID 1 for a laptop priced at $1,000, or order ID 2 for a phone at $500. Although these are just example numbers, the process of changing currency symbols applies universally, regardless of your specific data. Now, suppose you want the amount column to show the correct currency symbol, something that aligns with your business location or the audience you're targeting. By default, Power BI uses the dollar sign, which might not always be suitable. But no worries, we'll guide you on how to fix that. First, let's navigate to the left side of Power BI. Here you'll notice a vertical bar featuring several icons. Click on the icon that resembles a small table. This is known as the Data or Table view. It provides you with a spreadsheet-like view of your raw data, allowing you to interact directly with columns. Next, go ahead and click on the Amount column to select it. As soon as you do this, you'll see the top ribbon change, presenting you with additional options. Look for the tab labeled Column Tools and click on it. This area serves as your go-to toolbox for all things related to formatting data columns. Whether you're aiming to give your numbers a polished look or make them easier to interpret, this is where the magic happens. Under the Column Tools tab, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Format. Click on it, and from the list that appears, select Currency. Power BI will immediately apply a currency format, and you'll likely notice the dollar sign appear next to your numbers. If this is all you need, you could stop here. However, I suspect you're here to learn how to change the symbol itself. Still focusing on the top ribbon, under Format, search for the currency symbol dropdown. Don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. Sometimes Power BI takes a moment to update. Once it does, click the dropdown arrow. You'll see a variety of common symbols, such as pounds, euros, pesos, yen, and more. Simply scroll through and select the one you need. For instance, if you choose the Philippine peso, as soon as you make that selection, your amount column will update instantly, changing from $1,000 to $1,000. It's incredibly satisfying, isn't it? This simple adjustment can create a significant impact when presenting reports, especially to international teams or customers. It ensures that everyone can quickly understand your data without guessing what currency they're looking at. And if you ever need to change the symbol again, whether your company expands or you're creating reports for different regions, just follow these steps. It's quick and easy, and one of those finishing touches that really makes your Power BI dashboard stand out. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, let us know by subscribing to PMN Online. Got more questions about Power BI or facing a tricky formatting issue? Drop a comment below, and we'll do our best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.